just a couple of little quick tips on using slip. When you've got your own sort of specific clay, like this one where I've combined 2 different clays together, or even if you're just using normal clay stoneware and you need to make up a slip for yourself, you don't need to store it in a container and make sure that it stays moist or anything like that. You can just roll up your ball of clay that you've got. Just take a sample from the block or your mix. Roll it up. It only needs just a little sort of well in the top, just like that with your thumb. And then you can use that as you slip. Just add a little bit of water and just use your brush in there and you've got instant slip, right? So as you're using it, you can just drag the sides in from the clay just a little bit with your brush, and you've got lovely little sloppy bits that make for a great slip. So using your little serrated edge tool, which I've got one of these ones which I just love and I use a lot for scratching when I'm going to join something. Instead of using a tool individually and just, you know, scraping, scratching and trying to get all those lines in one by one, use one of these tools, even one of those kidney tools with a serrated edge. They're really cool. They can do exactly the same thing. And scratch your pieces. Use a little bit of slip. Just add water if you need to. And join your pieces together as you would normally. Really easy slip. And then when this dries, you've got slip that you can use anytime. It doesn't matter because you're just going to moisten it up again with a bit of water on your brush. So you've always got it there. You don't need containers. You can let it dry. It doesn't need to be covered and sealed, and it's ready for you to use next time.